Hey, this is Brian Gambardella with MarineMax of Huntington. Today we're going to look at a used 2014 Boston Whaler 270 Dauntless. This boat is powered by twin 150 Mercuries. These are the L4 motors. A lot of rod holders on this boat. Really good for fishing. A nice platform up here so you can get up high if you feel like casting that way. Also, nice seating for at least 3 adults. Storage, one of our favorite subjects to talk about with boats. Lots of storage here. Close this up. You got 4 rod holders, 2 cup holders. Grab handles everywhere, also nice. Your upholstery is in good condition here. So here at the helm, you got your nice Boston Whaler logo. This is in great condition. Raymarine electronics here. So you got your Raymarine VHF, chart plotter, GPS fish finder. This boat is equipped with radar also, which is very nice. So this boat has 321 hours on the engines. Pretty light for a boat of that age, which is very nice to see. Fusion radio, you got your nice rocker switches here. You do got freshwater washdown. You also have a port ahead with a pump out under the console there. Lenco trim tabs. Mercury throttles. You have, let's see, so you got plexi here. So if you didn't want to have the canvas up, you just remove that. You still have a little wind blocker there, which is good. Storage up here and 4 rocket launchers. Let's work our way forward. So under the console here, you'll have your battery switches above. And you got your pump out head below with a nice step to get in. So nice lounging area on your coffin box. Back to our favorite subject of storage. So you could fit your rods in here also, and then the tips would go in the head area under the console. You got lounger seats here. Let me do this like that. So you've got this port and starboard side. 2 cup holders on each side. Storage under your port and starboard. This is drainable. You've got a windlass system with controls here, which is also nice to see. This is a chain and rope windlass. Okay. Coming back around on our port side. So you have your pump out here, your fuel fill here on the same side of the boat, so that makes things a lot easier. Thank you for joining me on this tour of the 2014 Boston Whaler 270 Dauntless. If you're interested in this boat, give me a call at Huntington MarineMax 631-424-2710.